Alright, so hey guys, we're back for another video, and we're going to Subway Surfers. Not that, sorry about the noise, guys. I have to turn it down. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. Sorry, it's 1 o'clock in the morning, and I'm playing this game, so I'm posting this at 1 o'clock. Sorry, I'm at my late earnest, or lateness, or how you would say it, earliness, because it's early in the day. No one understands. Alright, whatever. I'm gonna put this my terrible discs. Sorry, it's just funny to me. I don't know, I laugh at a bunch of weird things. Like this one song. I don't know. My sister, when she hears a specific song, when this dude starts laughing, she laughs the rest of the song. It's so annoying, but it's funny at the same time. My computer. Miss me. Miss me. Miss me. Oops. Sorry guys, I think my mom's getting up. She's getting ready to get up. Guys, we're gonna use this. I don't know what it did, guys. Sorry, I'm not used to using this. No. So guys, we are playing Subway Surfers. Sorry I died. I'm not the best at the game. My high score is like 15,000. That's it. Oof. I love these things. Especially when I get double times the coins by buying coins. It's just so hard when you get double times the coins and there's no coins. Get double times, it doesn't matter. Just boss this. Let's boss this, guys. Oops. Comment down below if you think I should boss the next round. Just speed through it. Be fun. Sounds fun. Giant. Alright, so I'm glad it took us fast. There's a train coming the other way. Oof. Sorry guys, I just tooted. Sorry, it's just me. It's weird. Everyone farts. Never be ashamed of it. It's just farting. Hey guys, so I made it. It's actually really hard to make this. Alright, so I got a token. Ooh, 20 dodge. Oh, that was easy. Wow. I just missed the end, guys, so that sucks. Let's keep going. More coins. Sorry, guys, I'm just speeding through this. Boss. Should use a skateboard real quick. I love these things, and I have the star one already, so. Oof. So I barely made that. Alright, so guys, I just made this. I'm sorry, I'm not the best at the game. I hate how it speeds through it. Personally, I hate it because it's so annoying. Because then you can't watch where you're going. You just see like that. That's why I always have a handy skateboard in hand just in case anything like that happens. Right now, let me finish this. Alright, let's use skateboard just in case anything happens. Sorry, I'm not the best, so usually things happen to me. That's just how my life is. Oof. Alright, oof. Alright, so guys, I just hit a bus and missed my T, so that really sucks. So, don't always have them on. Just use them sometimes. Sorry, guys. I just hit a bus, and it really sucked because I lost the T that was right there in front of the bus, so. Sorry, I'm just boss moving through the T. Ooh, look, I have the skateboard on. Boom, guys. Skateboard helps a lot. If you missed the first time, I got it the second time. Because you're using a magical, wonderful world of skateboards. Oof. Alright, so I almost hit the thingy like that. Like that. See, the skateboard helped me, guys. Skateboards for life. Oof, guys. I almost got hit. And I'm really scary. Alright, so guys, I'm not the best in the game. But as you can see, I'm pretty quick. You know, I saw that. Let's get my magnet. Oof, guys, I almost hit the side. I was so scared. Alright, that I was gonna die. Because I'm going really fast. Oof, alright, so guys, I died. Show you ski? Yeah, I'm going to. It's not cheating, it's not. It's just using another value. Alright, so guys, we're gonna go this far. I'm gonna go over here, and then we're gonna go over here. Train is my motto. Train is the best way to travel. Guys, I've never been on. Actually, my first time on a train was Ooh, 51,000. My first time on a train was when I went to, what was it called? Universal, and we had to ride the Hogwarts train to other island in the part. It was just way quicker, and we didn't feel like walking. It was raining, so it was starting to rain. It was gonna rain soon. Then we used the train. We got there, and then we got just to ride the castle because usually when it rains, no one really goes on rides. Everyone evades the park. There were a few people who were going because they were being smart. Like everyone leaves. So yeah, I love when you duck down like that. I love when you duck down like that, lay on your board. Oof. Alright, so guys, I was being stupid there. Never be stupid. Oof. Alright, guys. Yeah, so don't do what I do. This is so easy, guys. Things so slow right now for me. Just stay on that side the whole time. We'll be fine. Trains. There's only one. That wasn't that bad. A mystery box, guys. Ooh, I wonder what I'm gonna. I hope more skateboards because I need more. I need a lot more, guys. Dude. Did you not just see that going on? Guys, got it. Eat it. Eat. Oof. Alright, so I busted that train. Sorry, guys, I had to get rid of the skateboard for this part. This part not that easy with a skateboard. Sorry if I jumped too early for y'all. I'm doing it my way. And my way is usually the way I win, so. I'm like 10 points away from my high score. 10,000 points away from my high score. That's amazing, actually, guys. Which means I've probably already gone 40 miles. Oops. Alright, so we gonna just cheat right there. We gonna just, not cheating. Oops. Guys, I really wanted that. Do I want that? No. Well, that was stupid. Oh, guys, I almost got hit. We know this match is so terrible. I'm getting bad at this game, guys. So, guys, we're probably just gonna end the video here. I think. Thanks for watching. It's been fun. Bye.